Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Teacher Fayyazdin Ahmad here. A very good morning to all of you. Hope you're all doing fine. Today we are going to discuss some questions and answers from our Unit 6, Lesson number 3, The Great Energy Debate. The genre of this lesson is narrative non-fiction, as it tells a story about some students who are preparing for a debate. And also, this lesson provides us facts and information about energy sources, about different energy sources, and also it has text features like sidebars. We have this lesson also shows some text features like sidebars, giving more information to explain the topic. So, based on these things, we have decided the genre as narrative nonfiction. Can you please open the page number 90 of your booklet? Booklet, page number 90. The first question is, what will happen if we keep using fossil fuels? What will happen if we keep using fossil fuels? Answer, because the fossil fuels are non-renewable resources, there will be none left if we keep using them. Because the fossil fuels are non-renewable resources, there will be none left if we keep using them. Geologists have put the fossil fuels in the category of non-renewable resources, as these fossil fuels, they take hundreds of millions of years to form, and they cannot be replaced, they cannot be renewed after we use them. So because we cannot renew them, they are non-renewable resources. There is another drawback of using fossil fuels, that is air pollution. So by using fossil fuels, the air is polluted. A lot of carbon dioxide is released after burning fossil fuels. So the answer for this question, what will happen if we keep using fossil fuels? Because the fossil fuels are non-renewable resources, there will be none left if we keep using them. Question number 2. Your booklet page number is 90, and question number 2. How can turbines be used? How can turbines be used? Answer, the energy from the turbines can be converted to electrical energy. These can be placed all over the world to capture wind energy. Wind energy is a renewable energy resource. So answer for this again, the energy from the turbines can be converted to electrical energy, and these turbines, these can be placed all over the world to capture wind energy. The advantages of using wind energy, the advantages are the turbines can be placed anywhere in the world. There is no limitation. They can be installed anywhere in the world, and the wind energy can be produced. And the other advantage is this type of energy, it does not pollute the air. There is no harm to the atmosphere. It is not causing any harm to atmosphere. It is eco-friendly. The drawback is this is expensive. Installing the turbines all over the world is an expensive system, and it's a very expensive process. And also, the other drawback is the wind energy is not efficient, is not as efficient as other energy sources. The only 30 to 40% of the wind energy can be converted to electrical energy. So this is another drawback. The first drawback is it's very expensive. The other drawback is that only 30 to 40% of the wind energy can be converted to electrical energy. So once again, the question for this number 2 is, how can turbines be used? The answer is that energy from the turbines can be converted to electrical energy. These can be placed all over the world to capture wind energy. Question number 3, what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work or make a change. Energy is the ability to do work or make a change. It is also a source of power for making electricity or doing mechanical work. Energy, so this is the answer. Once again, energy is the ability to do work or make a change. It is also a source of power for making electricity or doing mechanical work. There are the sources of energy are either renewable or non-renewable sources. We have just now seen the non-renewable source as a fossil fuel, how the non-renewable sources, they can be finished, they can be utilized, but once they are utilized, we cannot get them back. Once they are gone forever. But the renewable sources, we can, once we use these sources, we can get them renewed again and again. So they will not be over, they will not be finished, they will not be over, but after we use up, we can again produce these sources again and again. So the answer for this is energy is the ability to do work or make a change. It is also a source of power for making electricity or doing mechanical work. We have also seen the other sources like solar energy, where the solar panels, they convert the the solar energy to electrical energy, and also coal is being the source of providing us thermal energy, which is later on converted to electrical energy, so on. So many different sources are there. So this is the end of this session, page number 91. This is from page number 91 of your booklet. There is a homework for you. The homework is, please complete the questions and answers of your booklet, page number 91 and 92. Sorry, 90 and 91. Can you please complete the booklet pages 90 and 91? Oh, there are these three questions there. You just complete the answers in your booklet, please. Thank you. Have a nice day.